I applied because I wanted to exchange and talk to completely different people to get new ideas and new input.
I chose to apply because I think it's very interesting, and I wanted to meet students from all across Europe.
When I first read about it, I thought it was a great opportunity in order to learn more about pandemic management in other European countries.
The program interests me firstly because it has like a multidisciplinary background, so it comes together a number of different specialists focusing on medicine, on social science, on environmental sciences.
I think it's been really great to network with staff here, to network with students, and also to get a wider perspective on the kinds of issues that people across Europe are really interested in.
I learned so much about other countries' experiences with COVID-19, and also from other countries' students, their different personal stories, personal life backgrounds, and also sharing cultural experiences are so amazing.
I would recommend other Spanish students to enroll this summer course because they will not only stay up to date in the latest scientific research, but they will also connect with many other European students and also know Netherlands and practice their languages.
So it's been a really enjoyable experience. I've learned a lot. It's great to hear the perspectives of people from all across Europe and to hear about how different countries have responded to the pandemic and hearing about the lessons learned.